The 2025 Tricycle Camper is redefining what it means to travel light, smart, and in style. This three-wheeled micro camper is more than just a quirky design. It's a full-on compact adventure machine built for the solo nomad, the weekend explorer, or anyone craving freedom without the bulk of a traditional RV. Right off the bat, the design is eye-catching. With its futuristic curves, compact body, and elevated cockpit, it feels like something out of a sci-fi film, yet it's entirely functional. The aerodynamic shell isn't just for looks. It reduces drag and helps maximize efficiency, which is vital when you're running on electric power. Yes, this trike is fully electric, meaning it's eco-friendly and perfect for navigating both urban streets and scenic byways. Powering the camper is a high-efficiency lithium battery, paired with a whisper-quiet electric motor. You can expect a range of around 120 kilometers on a full charge, making it perfect for short getaways or city-to-country trips. Charging is simple too. It supports both standard home outlets and public charging stations. Now, let's talk about the interior. Open up the rear hatch and you're welcomed into a cozy, well-thought-out living space. A convertible bed folds out neatly. There's storage tucked under every panel, and some versions even come equipped with a pop-up roof for extra headroom. It's small, yes, but it doesn't feel cramped. LED strip lighting, USB ports, and a mini workspace make it functional for both rest and remote work. One standout feature is the modular kitchenette. A compact pull-out system gives you access to a stove, sink, and cooler all in one go. It's perfect for making coffee at sunrise or whipping up a meal at a mountain rest stop. And yes, there's an optional solar panel add-on that helps power your basic appliances. No generator noise, no fuel hassle. Driving it is surprisingly smooth. With a low center of gravity and responsive handling, it's easy to maneuver through tight spaces or winding trails. Safety features include front and rear cameras, ABS, and regenerative braking to extend range while adding control on descents. And here's the kicker, its affordability. With a starting price of just $8,999 and running costs that are a fraction of traditional campers, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is accessible to a new generation of travelers who want simplicity without sacrificing comfort. Plus, it delivers an impressive 70 kilometers per charge in real-world mixed conditions. Whether you're chasing sunsets, escaping the city, or living minimally by design, this micro camper gives you everything you need, and nothing you don't. It's fun, it's functional, and it's definitely future-ready. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome vehicle content every week.